I fucking lost my drone. That was so stupid, man. It's time to quit FPV. $500 GoPro, $400 drone, about $900 in the ocean. This is a story of how I lost my $1,000 FPV drone. But first, let me introduce you to my latest drone. It is the iFlight Titan, and it is the first drone I've ever purchased. We've started from the bottom, practicing on fields, and then up until recently, we've been doing some crazy shit and getting some insane clips. So you could say this was warranted, but have a look at some of these views we have captured. This is probably the favorite shot I got with the drone. Diving down the waterfall, during the sunrise, getting a little bit of water on the drone. It's a beauty. But back to the present day, we started the adventure despite how it is early as, and I'm like whispering right now because I don't want to wake anyone, aka Crystal, in this house. But we are going for a sunrise. Me, June, and Albert. This is how the day is going to start. We're going to go to this epic sunrise location. We're running a bit late as always. Yeah, let's get going. The mate Albert has picked us up. This is our farewell sunrise because the man's departing to the UK, mate.
In it, bro.
But yeah, so we are going to make it to the spot. I think is a pretty solid spot, which it was tipped off to me. I don't really exactly know where it is. We'll work it out. Albert's retired. I'll probably zip the drone over his head or something. We'll see what we have in store for us. Alright, so I'm hiding in a rock right now. It's so fucking windy, oh my god. And it's freezing. We've linked up with Jun. He's right there. And we are at the spot right now, but the sunrise, as you can tell in the back, looks like dog shit. Let's have a look right here. Oh. Yeah, as you can see, I don't see much of a sunrise, which is a bit unfortunate. But yeah, hopefully we'll get some type of light. Also, where I was standing, there's so much freaking salt water spray. So that sounds lovely for my drone. It's not looking good, lads. Alright, let's try and persevere and do some salvaging of this gorgeous morning. Goddamn, we are still waiting. It's still freezing. The sun, if you can see there, is not freaking coming out. Please, one time.
Weeks went by but felt like hours. Spring would lie in summer showers, and my hair were winter.
Man, the sunrise is actually pretty damn good. Even though morale is low and the sun was a bit late, but now it's the drone time. There's freaking spray everywhere. Like, I can literally feel spray standing there. This could be very famous last words, could be very stupid, but I really want to get the quad up there, rip it, because it looks incredible. Let's hope it doesn't fall out of the sky. Pray to the wave gods, the sea salt gods. You know, salt and drone is not a good mix. Let's hope for the best. As you can see, this is the DVR footage straight from the goggles and not the high quality GoPro because eventually I lost the drone. But this was my first flight and some of these shots were insane. I was flying just above these crashing waves and the water looked an amazing turquoise blue with the amazing sunrise in the back. It would have been an absolute banger, but this is where it gets really sad. After this first flight, I flew the drone back no worries, and admittedly it was risky. You can see some shakes because of the wind, and then I realized I came back, the GoPro was not recording, and this is the only reason I flew it again for this next flight, and here you're about to witness the death of my drone. So maybe if I hit recording, this would have never happened, but let's see it.
And weeks went by but felt like hours. Spring would lie in summer showers, and my hair were winter flowers.
So you can see the wave catch a little bit of my drone, and honestly it doesn't look like that much water. So looking back, I'm a bit confused as to why I just fell at the sky, because I would have just expected to get hit by water and just keep flying since I conformal coated it. And I think my drone was acting up a little bit because the other day I kind of hit a little bit of a wall and it just turned off. So not too sure what happened, but back to the present. Well guys, finally fucking lost my drone. That was so stupid, man. I got clipped by a wave and then it just tumbled into the ocean. Well, if you enjoyed the vlog, I wasn't even recording the first time, so I didn't even have like the footage. Well, it doesn't matter because it's in the ocean now. It's time to quit FPV. Fuck, that's like $500 GoPro, $400 drone, about $900 in the ocean. I need iFlight to send me a new one. iFlight, please. Someone send me a new drone. God damn it. It's only $900, right?
Yeah, only.
Alright guys, it's only 900 bucks, right? Like, look,
Yeah.
the drone's gotten me a lot of,
It's 200 or 300.
gotten me a lot of exposure.
Yeah.
Alright guys.
Yes.
Ah! Okay, this is what it is. I deserve it. That was stupid. Should've just hit record the first time. But yeah, this is the...
It's bound to happen one day.
Yeah, it's bound to happen. This is so stupid though. Like, why did I fly so close over raging currents and tides and shit? This is the post-mortem. And yeah, I'll probably end the vlog here. Good shit. It was a pretty nice sunrise for a little bit. But yeah, I guess I need to get on Facebook Marketplace or something now. Yeah, well, subscribe. I appreciate that.
Can you cry on camera?
I will not cry on camera. It's not the end of the world. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Laters.